Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Bittorrent token. What's going on in the BTT, my friends? What's the latest update in this video? I will share the latest update of the BTT with all of you, my friends. Just keep watching this video complete. And before starting this video, please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now, my friends, this time, yesterday, my friends, in the last 24 hours, every cryptocurrency's price change is negative. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba, a lot of cryptocurrency's price change is negative from the last one day, my friends. But now the latest situation, the last 1 hour situation of the Bittorrent token BTT is going positive. 0.002482 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price change, so now the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Bittorrent token is negative. The last 1 hour changes occur in the BTT is positive, my friends. A lot of people confused that what should we do in this critical situation. The people can't understand, my friends. But my friends, I will guide you that what should you do in this time, my friends. You know what, my friends, remember that any cryptocurrencies, any token, any coin you're holding, and this token is negative changes, my friends. So holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Just hold, my friends. My friends, let me show you the price chart of the BTT token for more and better understanding, my friends. The price of Bittorrent token is fast down from the last 3 days, and that is last 3 days price chart. From the 6th July, the price of BTT token is completely fast down, and now today, just today, my friends, on the 9th July, the price of BTT start pumping. So I think that is just a warning for all of you, my friends, that be alert in the market, my friends. Be alert in the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. So, my friends, my prediction is going positive about BTT token because you know what, today they start pumping, and I hope that they continue this pump for a long time and we get profit from a BTT token, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bittorrent token? Just share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.